Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the, wait a minute, I'll give a little more. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you're checking us out. Hope you stick around. We want to create a wonderful, safe, positive, fun place to talk about all things makeup because makeup is for everybody. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's part of the reason why I started the channel. I wanted to show, makeup is for everybody. So I've got some good stuff today, new from Ulta, or new at Ulta. Super excited about these. And speaking of Ulta, that's a little hint towards my next giveaway. At the end of next week, I will have the giveaway video and announcement. So today we're going to review the Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner. A lot of people have been looking forward to this. And something that's old but new to Ulta, and I've heard so much about, is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Been trying that out. And then we have a couple selections from Smashbox and the Hoodwitch Crystallized collection. This is a gorgeous collection. I got to play with all of it in the store, purchased a couple items from it. Like you guys know, I don't, have sponsors or anything like that, so I kind of have to pick and choose what I get. So I'm going to start with the singles here, and we're going to start with the ColourPop concealer. This concealer comes in 30 shades, and it is only $6. So I thought, okay, is it really as great as everybody says? It is. And for $6, oh my gosh. So little goes a long way. Let me put just a little on the back of my hand. And it spreads out beautifully. Look at that. Just put a little tiny bit. And it wears well. It sets well. It wears well. I love it. I see what everybody is raving about. They even have a white one for, cutting your crease. But highly, highly recommend this. $6, 30 shades. Love it. Now let's go on. A lot of people have been waiting for this. The Better Than Sex eyeliner. It is waterproof. It is smudge proof. It is 24-hour wear. It is a nice deep black. It's got a nice flexible brush tip. I really have enjoyed using this. It is trimmer friendly. So if it's trimmer friendly, it's going to be friendly to everybody else. It's easy to make a real thin line, and it's super easy to make a thicker one by using, on the side. It's easy to draw with. Really like this, and it retails for $21. And I am very happy with it. To be honest, it would take a lot to pry me away from the Stila eyeliner, but this one, I don't know, it might pull me away from it. I like it. Let me get this off. You have to really kind of rub it off, even just, putting it on there. It wears so well. And my eyes water, and that's always a concern because it'll get up on my lid, and it doesn't take it off at all. It's wonderful. All right, let's get into the Hoodwitch collection with Smashbox. So it is all about crystals and shine and shimmer, and it is gorgeous. I got to play with a lot of it. She's got a crystallized primerizer that's $42. Shimmer drops, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful for $25. The liquid highlight, and there is a powder highlight. Oh my gosh, it is $39. But it has got the most beautiful, like translucent, multicolor, glitter, just gorgeous look to it. And that is $39. There's also 3 glosses. They're $19 a piece. They are also just shimmery and beautiful and glittery. I didn't get any of those just because I have too many lip glosses. Of course, I got eyeshadows, and I don't need any of those either. So let's go into the liquid eyeshadows. I got Rhodolite Stand. So it comes in 6 shades, and this is $24. Look at this packaging. That's so beautiful. This is what the outside box looks like. And this is the packaging. It is so gorgeous with the crystal on the top. Well, plastic looks like crystal on the top. It goes on very well. It is nice applicator. Beautiful, beautiful color. And it lasts. I really like it. You know, I do a lot of powder shadows, not so much cream, but I really like this cream one, and all the colors are really wearable, and I like that. Now, if you guys haven't done the cover shot eyeshadows, they're really nice. For 29 bucks, you get 8 shades in each one, and this is probably my 4th of these, and I really, really like them. So this one is Rock Me. And wait until you see this packaging. Look at that packaging. All of the packaging of these are beautiful. And then here are the colors. And we'll swatch these here in a minute. They are the usual Smashbox quality, you know, really like them. So you can make, you know, tons of different looks with this. Really, really like it. So let's go in. I'm going to go in with these first 4 over here. So we have Heart Healer, and then Energy, Light Twerker, and all the heels. So let's take a look here. Now this brown actually goes on more gray, all the heels. So let's start with the top color, Heart Healer. That's beautiful. Then we're going to go into Energy, pretty mauve. Then this Light Twerk is really pretty. It is a golden pink shimmer. And then all the heels. That's one that looks brown, but actually comes off a little more gray on the eye. So let's go into the second quad. So we have got on the top Sage My Name, sorry. Then we've got Mystic Opportunity, You're Grounded, and then Hex Appeal. Now, Mystic Opportunity and Hex Appeal, it says to apply with your finger to get the maximum payoff, and I definitely agree with that. They are gorgeous. Give you a beautiful pop. So here is, oops, sorry, got to flip it over, see what I've got. Sage My Name, the Light Matte. Then Mystic Opportunity, wait until you see this. Look how beautiful that is, that green gold. I should say golden green. You're Grounded. There we go, light gray. And then Hex Appeal, also, gorgeous. Look at that Hex Appeal. So that is the eyeshadow palette. You get 8 colors for $29. Smashbox shadows, if you haven't tried them, they're really nice. They blend beautifully. They wear well. I really like them. I know I'm liking everything in this video today, but I gotta say there are no downsides to anything in the video today. I mean, I am totally honest with you guys. I have no reason not to be. And I mean, everything is just gorgeous. This Crystallized collection, just set it out on your vanity. They're so beautiful. So these are available at Ulta right now. And of course, Ulta's having their sale. I'm doing a Tuesday, Friday schedule, and that's why I had to come Monday, Friday this week, because I had to get that Ulta sale info out there. So if you guys are taking advantage of the sales, yay, beauty on a budget. All right, guys, so that is it for today. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome weekend, and I'll talk to you down in the comments, and see you in my next video. Bye.